Hostnownow, a reliable web hosting platform that was founded in 2015 by Ayodeji, Niyi Adesola, and Emmanuel Olorunseyi. And ever since, this web hosting platform has really grown to become one of the most reliable web hosting provider in Nigeria. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on Hostnownow web hosting platform, and I'm going to talk about the advantage and disadvantage, that is the pros and the cons of this web hosting provider here in Nigeria. It's a Nigeria based, and for those of you that don't know about Hostnownow, it has been in existence since 2015. So guys, let's dive in. So this is the website of Hostnownow, and as you can see, the URL is hostnownow.com, and we are going to talk about the services that they render, ranging from domain registration, server management services, and of course web hosting services. So you can see on the top menu of the screen, we have domain registration, transfer, and reseller. And as for the hosting aspect, you can see AWS hosting, shared cPanel hosting, cloud hosting, dedicated servers, and so on. So they also offer site builder, so which you can use to build your website, and also security services like SLS certificates, site lock, and code guard. So they also have other services too, like server administration and promos. So now let's talk about some of the advantages of this web hosting company. So there are quite some reasons why you need to choose Hostnownow if you want to pick a web hosting provider here in Nigeria. So as of today, making this video, Hostnownow is actually one of the 10 best hosting providers in Nigeria. So now let's talk about some of the things that really make them one of the best in Nigeria. Number one is 99.9% server uptime. So it means that if you are using this hosting provider, you are going to get a proactive monitoring down to seconds with reactive solution in place to ensure stability. So which means that you are guaranteeing a 99.9% server uptime, and all servers are monitored 24/7 365. So that's the first thing you are going to benefit from this hosting provider. So they boast of their network integrity and some of their key features. So which means that if you are using them as a webmaster, you will always find you won't find any amount of downtime at all. Now, number two reason is speed. So they boast of good speed, in the sense that they boast that their page load time is really quite impressive. So the home page loads in about 1.5 seconds, so which is faster than most sites, most hosting platform. Now also the next thing is affordability. So you can see here the price. The shared hosting is just 500 naira per month, and if you are going for the cloud hosting, is 2,400 naira per month, and for the other cloud hosting by AWS is 2,000 per month. So you can see that this thing is really affordable. And the next thing that makes them worth mentioning is that they have easy to use, that is, it is simple to use, more like it is user friendly. So if you are using this website, their cPanel is user friendly. So they have a 30 days money back guarantee. So if you are not okay with their services, so in 30 days they will refund your money. So but this is only applicable to first time accounts. So first time accounts are eligible for a refund under 30 days money back guarantee, and 7 days for other returning clients. So you can see that they are really doing fine. So you need to understand that refunds are not really offered for accounts that are suspended. So if an account is suspended or terminated, the account will not get a refund. So you need not to go against their terms of services if you want a refund from them. So the other thing is their customer support, which is really amazing. So they have a good customer support, and I can bet you they are really doing well. And also they have free site migration. So if you are migrating from Hostnownow to another site, or from another site to another hosting provider to Hostnownow, you are going to get free migration. So they also offer free .ng domain and SSL certificate. So if you are getting a shared hosting package from here and you are going to be paying good for it, you'll be getting a free .ng domain attached to it, and also free SSL certificate. So now, talking about the cons of Hostnownow, that is the disadvantage. Number one is that their customer support is fast, but could be more knowledgeable. You understand? So in the sense that they should do more on their customer support services. So, and the other one is they don't really have support for reseller hosting. So if you are running reseller hosting here, you won't be getting support. So they don't offer backup as well. So that's another factor that you need to consider. And the bandwidth is actually limited, and the space as well is limited. So the bandwidth allocated monthly, the unused bandwidth allocated for the month can't be transferred to another month. So that is one thing about this. So apart from all those cons I mentioned, they are a good web hosting provider that you can use to host your website, either as a beginner. So you can make use of Hostnownow, and it is very cheap. As you can see, the pricing, hosting package, the pricing is very cheap. So guys, that's all for Hostnownow. So if you have any question, please use the comment section to ask your question. So guys, have a wonderful day.